Right now is the best time.
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 The best time to start a YouTube channel.
Hey, it's your boy Kelvin and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to today's video. Now, I've seen a lot of videos blowing up lately of just minimalistic editing, minimalistic, choreography and whatever you call it. It's just low-key minimalistic stuff.
Hey. Okay, so let's have a little chat, shall we?
And it got me thinking to make this video because now, is this blowing up because our attention span is slowly increasing? Or is this just blowing up because, well, it's different? Because let's face it, unlike the Mr. Beast kind of videos that are always like eye-paced, action-packed and all that thing.
I don't normally do intros like this, but I'm currently descending hundreds of
Minimalistic videos offer almost minimum editing, minimum skill if you think about it. You're just doing a talk in that video like I'm doing right now, but yet these videos are blowing up.
But this is me, and I realized when I put me.
And you know what? I was like, let me maybe incorporate some of these into my sort of videos. Hey, it's your boy Kelvin. Welcome to the channel. I make a lot of content for you guys, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of it. So go ahead, smash the subscribe button. Don't let your situation stop you guys, whether you're broke as hell, whether you're not, whether you don't have the gear. Don't let that stop you. Look at me, I'm doing this reaction video in my car. Now, my thought on minimalistic videos are, it's a good thing to have in your channel because we're human beings. Like, we're not perfect. You know what I mean? There is no perfect human being out there. You could be whatever it is and still lack or be flawed in some aspects. So minimalistic videos, I think, are a good thing. I think they're here to stay, at least for a while. And I love them. I love them because it kind of challenges you, because you're almost accepting the and the little quirky jokes you make and the little things that you do that you usually would edit out or take out or not be proud of. So I love this type of editing style, and I think it's really good for content creators to explore. I don't mean like now embrace it and be making a lot of videos that don't have a lot of planning or editing on them, but like you should still try to create videos of you just being yourself and accepting the mistakes you make, as long as the videos just make sense, right? So those are my take. Let me hear your take on this. Let me know in the comment section what you think about minimalistic type of videos. I personally love them, but let's hear from you. Until the next one, guys, peace and love. We're out.